Hello my friends, this is Sabracha-san. Today I have a question for you, to be exact the first question of the week, which has been, I have been inspired to do this by a fellow language learner called Moses, or Laoshu 55,000. And the first question will be, why did you stop? Why did you stop or gave up learning a language? I've been stopping. I think I'm stopping. I'm not planning to give up, or I haven't given up learning some languages, which are, for example, Italian. I've been trying it more or less 2 times, and I have to say I've been very lazy about it. Same goes for Estonian, which is the second language. So Italian was far too similar to Latin, which I've been into for like 10 years. So for 10 years, the only thing I've been doing was translating texts of a dead language, or mostly dead language, and switching over to a spoken language which is so familiar, or sounds so familiar, and which is so similar, not familiar, to Latin, was quite hard. Especially without the knowledge that I have today, and without a strict plan for learning the language. And for Estonian, I have to say that it was quite different to all the other languages that I've been learning before, because it's not a Indo-European language. And I picked up some of the stuff that I learned, or that I was learning there, but I was quite lazy, so I didn't pick up a lot. And I was also trying it twice, like more or less seriously. And the third language that actually there are 4 languages. I was also very lazy about Polish, very enthusiastic in the beginning, but then very lazy. And the fourth one was German Sign Language. I mean, I wasn't so that lazy. I had some friends, some deep friends, which I had contact with at the time when I was learning German Sign Language, where I had lessons once a week for 2 hours. So I was using the language in my free time also, and I had 2 semesters of lessons, but then it was kind of hard to put the semester of the lessons of German Sign Language and the semesters, and planning my I can't remember the words. Planning my schedule, yeah. So it was the schedule of my study, and there were those 2 lessons, or 2 hours of lessons of German Sign Language, and I had to decide whether I take the lessons for German Sign Language or not in September, and I had to put together my schedule for studies in October or November. So it was hard to put those 2 schedules together, or those lessons, and that's why I gave it up like 1.5 years ago, which I'm very sad about, because in Germany you can earn some 40 euros for 1 hour of translating, for example. I mean, it's not just that I learn languages for earning money, but it would have been a possible chance to be a translator later after 4 or 5 or 6 semesters. At least that is what the people who are organizing the lessons suppose, because you can go to the state examination, or what is it called in English? Anyways, you know what I mean. So what was the reason, or which were the reasons for giving up or stopping learning a language, one language or many languages? Thanks for your reply, and see you later. Bye.